Hello everyone! This is Binibining Marikit. Binibining Ice nga pala, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, for today's video, we're going to try out or have a short review with a product that some of you are already familiar. So this product is... Okay, so this product is XN8030. It's a beautiful skincare expert. It's a vacuum negative pressure acne pore cleaner. So some of you can already purchase it online, lalo na po dyan sa Philippines. But I got mine here in Kuwait for 3 KD. So in Philippine peso, it cost me around... So it cost me around almost 600 pesos lang po. So this content is all about what are the inclusions of this product para po doon sa mga future purchaser ng product na ito. So guys, open na natin what's inside the box of the vacuum pore cleaner. Okay? Okay, I have here, it's a rose gold. So included po ang 4 replaceable suction tips nila. So the first one, we have the small round tip. They have a microcrystalline tip, suction tip. The elliptical hole sucker tip. And then the last one, they have the strongest one. They have the big hole sucker tip. Good thing po, it's not battery operated. So they have the USB cables. So it is the same cable that we use for charging our Android cell phone. So it's a good thing. We also have the spare filtered sponges and rubber rings. And then sa mismong machine, makikita po natin the on and off button. So you can see it here. Then you can have the LED indicator light. So at the bottom, you can see the charging jack. Okay, so it says, according to the manual, they have the 5-gear adjustment, or siguro ito yung pressure kung paano, how much pressure leveling kung paano magsasak doon sa skin natin. Okay, let's try this one. So 1, gear 2, 3, 4, and 5. Itong mga replaceable suction tip, each one of them, we will try it later, but before anything else, so what are the procedures we have to do before we do or use the vacuum pore cleaner? So before using the pore cleaner, you have to wash your face para malinis. So you have to make sure lahat ng mga makeups or anything sa face nyo ay natanggal. So guys, after natin mag-wash ng face, saka gumamit ng hot towel to make our pores soft or yung blackheads mag-soften siya para madali siyang matanggal. So I think it's a high time para gamitin yung pore cleaner. So I just want to show you guys ang aking skin imperfections. So walang judgmental. So look at the blackheads, the blemishes. Tabi-tabi po sa mga kumakain. So, let's try. So guys, I'll be using the strong suction, which is the large hole or the big hole sucker tip. So let's try the gear 1 or the number 1, yung pinaka-weak. Para hindi mabigla yung skin natin. So, feeling ko dapat dahan-dahanin natin. Ooh! You see those? Ooh. So, I'm currently using number 4 para matanggal lahat. I think you have to drag it down, pull it down. I think on number 1, it doesn't give you anything. So, I think you need more suction pressure. But it really feels good, parang minamassage lang yung face. So, I think it's very usual to have this redness. And I think it will go away afterwards. Oh my god. I'll be trying the small suction head. So it is currently on number 4, 3 or 4. Try natin sa ila. So mukhang kailangan mo lang gamitin yung mga pang-wick suction kasi dito sa nose natin, they're a bit sensitive. So I'll try number 5. Oh, look at this. Kita nyo? Actually, effective siya. Pero, kung gagamitin mo siguro yung number 1, I don't think na makakakuha sila ng maraming blackheads or whiteheads. So, as for me, I think I still prefer using yung 4 or number 5. But it depends on anong klaseng skin type meron ka. If you're too sensitive, so might as well use 1 or number 2. It doesn't pain you at all. Parang minamassage na lang yung face mo. So, look at the redness. Okay, the next one, we'll be trying the elliptical replaceable head. So, I'm gonna try 3. So, sabi nila, this will be for anti-wrinkles. So, from inner to outer. So, not much blackheads on this elliptical. We will be trying the microcrystalline suction head. So, it is usually used for exfoliating sa mga dead skin, yung mga nagpipil, dermapil. Let's try. I'll try 3. Ooh, it's a bit cold. Very smooth. So, it only gives you a smooth feeling na parang minamassage lang. It's my cold effect din. So nice. So guys, I suggest after using this product, if you have any antibacterial toner, so you can use it to close your pores. You can even use cold towels or ice, pwede rin siya. So as for me, I'm using ice to close my pores. So guys, actually, medyo nag-smoothen yung ating test lock. So if I'm going to rate our vacuum pore cleaner, I think I'm gonna give it 7 to 8 over 10. So nakita niyo naman sa video, it actually removes yung mga blackheads and whiteheads natin. But it depends doon sa intensity ng yung pressure na gagamitin natin. So, I prefer using 4 and number 5. So, it actually suck it all up, yung mga blackheads natin. So, overall, it's really a good product. So, just be careful lang kung having sensitive skin. So, baka masyado magkaroon ng redness. Pero after a while, I think mawawala din naman yung redness. So, I think I'm gonna give 2 thumbs up for this product. So guys, that's all for today's video. So sana nagustuhan nyo. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell button below para updated ka sa mga susunod kong video. Thank you guys!